Welcome to Stories in Color. Today we are drawing a dolphin step by step in a fun and easy way. A dolphin. Let's say it together. Dolphin. We start our drawing with the long nose, also called the snout. Next, we draw the head and add the top fin on the dolphin's back. Dolphins are very smart animals, and they love to play and swim together in groups called pods. Now we move to the lower part of the body, drawing the bottom fin and then the tail. The tail helps the dolphin swim fast and jump out of the water. Dolphins use sounds and clicks to talk to each other and to find their way in the ocean. Finally, we color the whole dolphin using blue, gray, and ocean colors to bring our drawing to life. And that's it. Our dolphin drawing is finished. If you enjoyed drawing with us, please like the video and subscribe to Stories in Color for more fun and colorful drawing adventures. See you in the next episode. Bye!